Welcome to the CryptoNest. It's been a while, didn't do any updates. So we did have, well, we're actually having some movement, but I just wanted to make just a quick refresh on where Bitcoin is going. So bigger chart. All right, so we had an A, B, C for the wave 1, A, B, C for the wave 2, another A, B, C for the wave 3. And yeah, if I move here, maybe it's even clearer. Okay, so wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, and now we're doing our wave 4. So now if I take the fib retracement of this movement for the third wave, we can go up to 37,640, round it up, and still be a valid wave 4. As you can see, the price is still much higher than that, and the lowest it did, actually, it just touched the 0.382, 48,656. Did he actually go there? Let me just, I think that's a drawing. Let me check here. Low 49,031 and 91 cents. So didn't even go there. We were missing a few $100. I mean, I consider it touch it. And yeah, so now we're seeing something else, which it's nice, but it's not anything impulsive, and no one should expect anything impulsive because it's all the way we're having. It's always a three wave, right? So yeah, so we need to expect for three waves movements. So there is a case now that maybe, yeah, we're starting a wave up. Now, why there is five-way up? Because I know sometimes it's misleading. I mean, wave A and wave C can be five-way up, but then it implies that if the wave A it's five-way up, then we're going to have a wave B, three-wave down, and then wave C, five-way up. Also remember, wave C, it's a five-way up pretty much. I don't want to say all the time, but often. And yeah, there you go. So now we do have a case for this A, B, C for the wave 1. We had an A, B, C for the wave 2. And now are we going to have, actually I can already see an A, a B, and then maybe we go higher for a wave C. That's something possible, but now price need to push higher. But this, once again, it's not, it can go much higher. Remember, I did tell you, I think last week or beginning of this week, that Bitcoin, if we can do something and reverse the price here, we could do another, three wave up. And the challenge would be to go and touch the MA 200. Well, it's doing that now. So now the question is price going to hold, go on the side? Let me check the fibs. I'm sorry, the RSI. So you can see that, yeah, we're going on the side, right? So let me go 12 hours. Yeah, start to recover 4. Okay, so the 4 stock RSI already resetted, but we need the RSI here to reach lower level. So if price can continue to go on a side, then the RSI is going to go lower, recharge, and then after that we can push higher. Now, is it going to do that? Yeah, that's the question that everybody would like to know. But we need to check the signs, right? Also, the other thing is, since, is it mid-July? Let me see here. End of July, we start to do this downtrend channel, and yeah, we break out. So now could be that we do something like that, because we should not freak out right away. If we lose this level, because it was the previous peak, you can see we start to have some support here, and now it's acting as support, this level. If we ever lose it and go lower, well, we do have this downtrend line, the blue line can hold us, and eventually the MA50 also is going to be there. So if ever price drop a little bit, here we have a strong case that price should hold. So this is a level that I would watch. And then yes, perhaps if we lose that level, then I'm going to go and look for this level here, which is the lower downtrend line in yellow. So this is what I'm looking for the moment. I know now everybody is already talking about bull market and blah blah blah, everything to the moon. Let's be cautious. I would say there is still a chance that we can go lower, and I think I explained in the last video or the one before, we could go a little bit lower and make a new lower low for the fourth wave, and that would be also okay. And what did I want to say? Yeah, okay, yeah. So here we did an A, B, C for the wave A. Now this is at the B, and then if I do the ratio, ideally we would go to 45, 656 or something near there to complete a wave C. So we need to be cautious while people they're mooning. It would be perfectly okay to Bitcoin to reach those lower levels, and it wouldn't jeopardize anything. But once again, Bitcoin, it's really rare that goes and make deep corrections, and often it just go to the 0.382, which it just barely did. But anyway, so let's not sell something that is not a deal done. Okay, so let's enjoy the ride. Let's see this level here with the MA 200, if you can hold, go on the side, recharge your RSI, and then go higher. And then for sure the next challenge is going to be this top downtrend yellow line. So these are the level now that we need to look forward if we manage to sustain at this level here and go higher. Now, just for fun, I want to go and check the VRVP. Let me see here. Yeah, so here we do have, you can see we have a volume here where people, they were trading. So this is going to be, once again, every you have many things that we have a confluence, and this could be a little bit hard. And this is the importance why RSI has to be reset a little bit, so we can have a very nice, I don't know, fueled tank. Now, am I expecting price to go and break this downtrend? Honestly, I don't think so. I think if we do something, we go more on the side. For definitely, I believe the weekend we're going to go on the side. After that, maybe if we can join this trend, I think then we're going to have a nice, it goes both ways, right? Either we get rejected right away, which it wouldn't be crazy, but then if we do something like that, and after that we go and attempt for the higher high that we made this cycle, it would be okay. But so this is what we could expect, or what we can look at if price actually start to go higher. So definitely this a level to check, and then after that maybe we are going to go for the higher high. And I think this is pretty much what I wanted to share with you guys. Yeah, short term, let me more than 4 hours, not that bad. So we have an ABC for wave 1. We did reach a lower level for the wave 2, and now allegedly this is the third wave. So now what could be the target for this third wave? Because if I do even some more micro counting, I can, anyway, I don't want to go deep there. Let me just, don't want to give too many information and people, they get a little bit confused. We'll go there eventually. All right, so I'll take the fibs for diagonal left. Yes. All right, so ideally we would go about 74,000. Now, actually ideally 1.38 at 77,824. That would be the third wave, but the minimum would be the 74,700, but it wouldn't send a nice signal. It would be a weak signal. 1.38 would be the best. Well, for sure it can go higher and reach 83,000. That would be amazing. And but coincidentally, if the third wave it just reached, let's say, the 77,000, then fifth wave should at least go 1.618, which is yeah, $83,000. All right, so yeah, sec. Let me see here. For sure, now, yes, we do have the 2.236 and 2.38, but it depends also how, if everybody, the momentum is there and price just start to skyrocket, FOMO kicks in, and everybody go in, then, yeah, we can make great expansions. And actually, I do believe that, yeah, this cycle is going to be a little bit hard. As you can see, it's all three waves movements. And yeah, so that's pretty much, unfortunately, I did tell you, I'm not looking for 120, 140,000 Bitcoin. It can go there, but now my minimum target is really between, yeah, I would say around 100K. I would be already very, very glad. We'll start to take some profits, or definitely install some sell stop limits, because yeah, the three-way movement, all these diagonals, they do have an impact on a price expectation or targets. And yeah, once again, it can push higher, no problem. It can still go to under 20, under 40, depending on the momentum, depending on the retailers, how they jump in, FOMO, all of that. But I definitely don't want to do like last cycle, and I definitely didn't maximize my profit taking, and which is a mistake that I did, and that I will try to not repeat. All right, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.